When it comes to filing your taxes online in 2025, two popular options go head-to-head: H&R Block versus efile.com. Which one really delivers? On the left, H&R Block. Flexible tax help from DIY to pro support. And on the right, efile.com. For flat rate, no frills, tax filing simplicity. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how these two actually stack up. Each category earns points. By the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. So before we dig in, here's a quick mind map of all the stuff we're comparing: price, features and support, ease of use, customer service, and guarantees and accuracy. That's the lay of the land. So let's see how each one stacks up. So first up, price. H&R Block gives you a free edition if you just have a super basic return. But as soon as you toss in extra states or you've got, freelance gigs, you start climbing up their tiers: deluxe, premium, self-employed. And those state filings? Yeah, you pay extra per state, about $37 each. It adds up. Now, efile.com, you know what? It's super straightforward. You pay $29.95 flat, unlimited state returns included. Like what? No weird upcharges. If you file in like 4 states, especially as someone moving around for work, honestly, efile.com is a steal. The catch? You don't get extra perks. But if you want cheap and simple, it's hard to beat. So for price, the winner's pretty clear. efile.com takes the crown. Let's talk features and support next. H&R Block goes big here. You get unlimited expert help, their AI assist thing, and you can pay for a live tax pro review if you want that extra peace of mind. Plus, you can pull in last year's return from most platforms instantly. Not bad. But yeah, some fancy features do cost extra, and live help's a little more limited if you're using their free plan. efile.com, it's got a bunch of educational guides, and they'll give you free audit assistance, but honestly, you won't find actual live tax experts hanging out in the chat. Their interface? It's serviceable, but not quite as packed as H&R Block's. So yeah, H&R Block definitely wins features and support. Now, ease of use. H&R Block is pretty much the king of guided workflows. It walks you through step by step, uploads your docs, imports prior returns. Heck, it's almost hard to mess it up unless you're deliberately trying. Even beginners will feel chill using it. If you're an advanced user, though, maybe you'll want more hands-on form control. But for most folks, total breeze. efile.com is also easy, especially if your return's basic. It automatically picks forms for you, so fewer rookie mistakes. Just one thing. If your tax situation's more creative, you may be wanting more walkthroughs or explanations than they provide. Both are friendly, but H&R Block's a bit more thorough, so it wins on usability. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that electronic filing dates all the way back to 1986? Fast forward to 2024, and the IRS cranked through over 176 million e-filed returns. That's a wild number. Just shows how digital-first filing really is the new normal. Switching gears, customer service. H&R Block has the full buffet. Phone, email, live chat, and, oh yeah, actual stores you can walk into. If you're stuck, you've got pros on deck, especially if you're not in their free plan. efile.com, you get email support, and they are legit BBB A+ rated, which is cool, but there's no phone, no chat, and absolutely no local office. So if you like that human contact, or you get anxious sending emails about your taxes, that's honestly kind of limiting. For overall service, H&R Block wins again. All right, guarantees and accuracy. Good news. Both promise you won't mess up your refund. You get 100% calculation accuracy, maximum refund guarantee, the whole works. Seriously, it's a dead tie here. Neither stands out above the other in this category. So, it's a wash. If you could see these two side by side on a radar chart, you'd notice efile.com really only jumps ahead on price, like a lot, while H&R Block kind of radiates out in all the other areas. Features, support, usability, guarantees, same story for both. So, bottom line, if you want as much help as possible, especially from real experts or even in person, and you've got a slightly complex situation, H&R Block is hands down the better pick. But if you just want the cheapest, flattest deal for unlimited state filings, and you're totally cool doing it solo, without much hand-holding, efile.com is the move. All right, was that tax showdown helpful? If yes, you might want to bookmark this for the 2025 tax season. It'll save you a headache next time you're knee-deep in W-2.